In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from the Hostinger website builder to WordPress. This quick guide is designed to make your transition smooth and efficient, ensuring that you can get your WordPress site up and running in no time. So let's get started. First, you need to head over to your Hostinger account. Once you're there, the option to create a new website will be visible. Don't worry if it's not immediately apparent. Navigating through Hostinger's interface is relatively straightforward. Once you spot it, click on the skip button. This step is crucial because you want to bypass anything that relates to managing your current Hostinger website builder site, as we're focused on setting up WordPress. Once you've skipped past those initial prompts, look for the option labeled Create New Website. This is where we'll begin our transition in earnest. Clicking this button will open up new options, which are essential for starting your WordPress site. A page will load, prompting you to select the platform for your new site. Here, you need to click on the option to select WordPress. This choice is key, as it automatically begins setting up all the necessary backend configurations for your new WordPress site. Next, you'll need to choose a domain to associate with your WordPress site. If you already have a domain you want to use, go ahead and select it, then click Select. If you don't have a domain yet, don't worry. You can purchase one through Hostinger or transfer one over from another provider. Taking a moment to decide and finalize your domain can save you a lot of hassle down the road. After you've selected your domain, you'll be offered the option to customize with AI. This feature can greatly assist you in personalizing your WordPress website. Go ahead and type in your brand name. Not only does this branding help with recognition, but it also sets the tone for the creative decisions you'll make for your site's design and content. Following this, look for the button to Custom a Website. Clicking this initiates the custom build process, allowing you to tailor your WordPress site according to your unique vision and needs. Designing your site can be exciting, so take this time to explore the themes and plugins WordPress offers to enhance your website. Finally, a tip for ensuring a smooth transition: you might discover that your previous Hostinger website builder site is still lingering. To remove it, click on the three dots next to the website name and select Delete Website. This will clear the path for your new WordPress site to take center stage, ensuring it runs smoothly and without any conflicts. And there you have it, a quick guide to transitioning from Hostinger's website builder to a WordPress site. Remember, each step is designed to make this process as seamless as possible, ushering you into the world of WordPress with ease. If you have any questions or encounter issues, feel free to reach out for more support. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.